Today we're making scrambled eggs. This is a very simple dish. We're just making scrambled eggs and cheese. The only reason I measure the cheese is for the preference of the person who's eating it. It's definitely not required. You can just put in what you think is a decent amount, and you can make it without the cheese. That works too. I'm just cracking the eggs. I crack them into a bowl. Some people crack them directly into the frying pan. It really doesn't matter, whatever works best for you. There we go. We have cracked 6 eggs. And now, I'm just going to put them in here. I start on high heat and then lower it. Add in my cheese, which, as I said, I'm measuring, but it's definitely not required. It's going to be a preference. I make sure for the person in my house who likes this dish, he has the exact same amount. And then you're basically just going to stir this around. Just make sure it moves and doesn't stick to the bottom. This is a very basic version. You can also make it with egg whites. You can just pour some egg whites in. You can mix in the cheese. You can leave the cheese out. Whatever your preference is. It'll cook pretty quickly. So we're just making sure, because these are just going to be scrambled eggs, that we're getting them off the bottom. Want to make sure they don't burn on the bottom, because that creates a large mess, which is not impossible to clean, but is a challenge. And just kind of moving them around. Just making sure your cheese and everything's mixed together really well. Once you start to think they're fully cooked, you turn off the heat. Getting close. Here, I want to really make sure you get these edges clean so that you don't have this kind of buildup there that kind of sticks to the plate. It also helps if you use some cooking spray. Some people like to grease it with butter. Either way will really work. So we can go ahead and turn off the heat and